Hi everyone, welcome to the Bolt Hackathon. Here we are presenting our AI Learning Coach, an AI-based learning platform. We all are familiar with the available learning platforms that offer pre-made lectures or courses. So the main problem with this kind of courses is that no matter how good they are, it doesn't fit for all. The author or the course instructor may be the best in the world, but uh, his course may not fit for all. That's where our platform comes in. It is an AI-powered learning platform, so it adapts with the difficult. It adapts the difficulty level or everything that it learns from the user. If you go through the app, we can see that first of all, let us give our name. Then we choose what we can learn. We have to choose 2 to 5 items. We select Python, machine learning, data analysis, these kinds of projects. So we press next, and here you can see that we can select our experience level. So it is for fine tuning the model. So we just assume that we are beginner. So we will select beginner, and how much time we can spend daily. So our contents will be made according to this, the items that we select in this quiz. Okay, so what kind of vibe I am in also, we can select that. So, so here is my dashboard. So if I scroll down that, you can see that today's learning task. There are 3 options. Uh, for example, I want to learn this machine learning article beginner level. So I can press start learn. So it is AI generating content. So as you can see, this content, it is totally made up using LLM. It is a beginner free content, beginner based content. As I mentioned that I am a beginner, so it made a beginner friendly content for me in this form. So I can read it, I can go through all the points that is saying, and ready to complete, I can say complete plan. Okay. So I got 30 points. So you can see that it is updated today's task, and also there were notifications there. Perform customer segmentation, another part of data analysis. So we can start that. So this is the contents. It is also made by AI. So we can get through the topics like learning objectives, handling missing values, get the cluster labels, and everything. Apply PCI to reduce dimensionality, and these things are available. And we can also complete this. Also, we can learn Python same in the same method. So you can see that it generates something, some content of Python for us. These are all AI based, and these are fine tuned by our needs, the needs of the user. So I can also complete this. So you can see that we have earned badges. So today's task 3, time 40 minutes, though I didn't take that much time. So you can see the progress bars down here. Also, also we can see the progresses from this. We have dashboard. So this is a beautiful UI dashboard, and here you can see that the topics that we have learned and the badges that I have earned. So next, the badges section, I can see which badges the user earned. Okay, so we can also toggle between dark mode and light mode. You can see the logo change its color depending on the mode. That's how this works. So our next objective is to uh, make the contents even more useful for the user. We are hoping that we will be also be able to introduce video lectures for using AI, and yeah, and scale this, and also introduce paid features for users. For now, this prototype it is prototype level, so we have a lot in plan. So we hope we'll be able to work on this even further.